Evedo is a blockchain-based platform, consisting of B2B and B2C marketplaces. It unifies all businesses and participants involved in organizing events. Our aim is to build a marketplace, and a true ecosystem that will help the $850 billion event industry grow by connecting all parties without unnecessary middlemen. Main players in the B2C marketplace are organizers, promoters and attendees. The main functions will be to buy and sell tickets and market events to new or existing audiences. The Evedo B2B platform is designated to create the perfect environment for all businesses involved, such as event organizers, performers, venue owners, equipment rentals and sponsors. The primary business model for existing ticketing platforms is to take commissions and cuts from all ticket sales. By implementing blockchain technology into the existing model, Evedo is able to connect event organizers directly to the attendees. By taking advantage of Ethereum network and smart contracts, we are cutting both complications and costs. One of the main factors that inspired us to tokenize the event industry is the opportunity to introduce transparency, security and automation into this dynamic commercial field. Both processes, event organizing and the sale of tickets, involve numerous transactions and long, lock-up periods, with consideration to the large scale of the industry, and the important problems which are solved through the Evedo project. We have created ideal conditions for the wide adoption of the Evedo token, and accordingly steady increase in their demand due to the limited supply. There are only 17,756,590 Evedo tokens in existence, and this is the total supply which will be driving a digital scarcity of this asset. At the current price levels, the Evedo token is a real bargain as this token has huge upside potential. It's evident that the coronavirus pandemic has changed what normal looks like for us all, and the events industry is no different. In-person events, from music and art festivals to international conferences, have been cancelled, and revenue is dropping. The industry has transformed, and we're just starting to work out what it means. If current trends continue, then virtual events could be the predominant mode of content consumption, networking, and conducting business. Move your events online. Evedo helps online events by providing our advanced functionalities for free. Features for marketing, promoting and gaining insights, and creating webinars are easy with Evedo.